Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 217. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 3 here and a 6 here, so this is our 5. That 3 makes this our 6. 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 5. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this column now, we're missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 5 here, so 8, 5. For this top row, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 1. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 9, 8 here, so 3, 9. So that means the only place the 8 can be in that row is here. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 9 here, so this is our 3. That makes this our 9, 2. That 9 makes this our 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 9 here, so 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 here and a 6 here, so this is our 4. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 4. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this box now, we're only missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this row, we're just missing a 1. For this row, we're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.